New to this version of HardOps 987_29 is a new option called Face Extract. Whenever you click it under Mesh Tools, you'll go inside of a modal where you are able to select your faces, and then when you press spacebar, it will progress you to the next stage, which is then inset, and then once you click, you are placed inside the next stage, which is then extrude, and then once you click, you're done. And similar to Boxcutter, you can just press 1 and switch back to your main collection. And let's just select our mesh again, press Q, and we'll go into Face Extract once again. And let's just perform our click, select this area, press spacebar to begin our inset, click once again, and just like that, we have now performed a second face extraction. So even though this mesh is comprised out of booleans, we're still able to get in quickly and grab derived faces and quickly convert them to booleans to affect this mesh just on the fly. And that is generally the basic idea behind this tool. In fact, the version I'm showing is basically the most simplified version of what it does. But just in a nutshell, now you can do face extraction from object mode instead of just from edit mode. And this option is simply a front end to a system called Selection To Bool. So just get in there, give it a try, and you should definitely be able to find some uses for it.